Fire escape engineer summary video, Inspector Tom Curran, 376 Granite Ave, Milton. Fire escape number 2. You have the railing attached here with one bracket. Nothing attaching it on the bottom, it's moving. You have over 8 inches of space for underneath the rail. Someone put a piece of channel here and built your railing up there, welded the railing to it. The cornice has all original bolts, 50 to 75 year square bolts. When they put the new grating in, they put a bracket here in the middle, which they secured the channel and raised up the railing. So now you have open spaces here. The railing is all welded in the corner. All welded here. The bolts were not replaced, all 50 to 75-year-old original hardware. You can see the masonry around that bracket. It's bad. Here they put this in here with one small dynamo welded to the channel to support the grating in the middle. Same thing, all the railings have not been rebolted, they have been welded. Same thing here, they have a piece of channel supporting the rail up. The rail has not been rebolted here, it's all original square bolts. And you can see the brick here, and you can see the space there. You have telephone wires laying in the way. Top of the fire escape would attach it to the bracket. You can see all the rust in there and all the rust in there, all original square bolts, 57 right here. The steer is bent there. Spaces are missing. Somebody welded a small piece of angle iron on there. If you look at the bracket here, it's all square bolts in the gusset, 50, 75-year-old, not been replaced. Corner down there is all welded, and you can see the corner up there. You have some issues with the masonry. Then they have the piece of channel sitting here to there with this middle support here going back to the wall with an undersized chemical anchor knot to support the middle of the grating. The stairs have all been rebolted. Some of them should be rebuilt. They need to be cleaned better. They did not rebuild the railings. As you can see, the railings all have original square bolts, 50 to 75 years old. You can see all the rust in the connections. Some of the treads are bent. And clip down here is broken, but they've welded the stair down. You can see all the rust in the gussets here where they didn't clean it. And you can see the clip here is all falling apart and been welded. The railing here has been welded. This has been welded here. You can see it's been hit in the corner. You have a missing bar there. You have bent bars there. The bracket here, you can see all the cement issues with it. Go up to the corner and you can see all the cement issues there. It's got all 50 to 75-year-old bolts at the top of it here. It's all welded. The one there, it's all welded. You can see the cement up at the top, how bad it is. And the gusset over there is all 50 to 75-year-old bolts.